day, everyone. I'm Baby Ambuor, a BS EdMath first-year student, and for today's video, we will talk about the life cycle of a honeybee. So without much further ado, let's get started. Honeybees, much like other insects, undergo a complete metamorphosis as they progress for the stages of their lives. There are 4 stages in the honeybee's life cycle. First is the egg, second is the larva, third is the pupa, and fourth is the adult. This cycle started when a queen bee mates with drones. Note that after mating, the drone bee dies, and after some time, the queen will then lay a single egg into each cell of the honeycomb. A queen might lay up to 3,000 eggs per day. This egg will hatches into approximately 4 days. The egg is long, thin, and white, and about the size of a grain of rice. The eggs are laid into different cells depending on whether they will become worker bees, drone bees, or queen bees. 3 or 4 days after an egg is laid, it hatches into a worm-like form called larva, which looks like a white grub. The larva has no legs, wings, or antenna. Young worker bees feed the larva first with a special liquid called royal jelly and then bee bread. Potential queen bees get special treatment and are fed only royal jelly. Only some of the larvae will be fertilized. The fertilized larva will go on to become worker bees, while the unfertilized larva will become drones. After a few days, the larva stops eating and it spins itself a cocoon. This is called the pupa stage. The pupa cell is capped by the worker bees with a lid of beeswax. The pupa is no longer fed, but it continues to grow, developing legs, eyes, and wings inside the cocoon. After how many days, the pupa becomes an adult bee. All in all, from the time the egg was laid, it takes new honeybee queen about 16 days to emerge from the egg cell, whereas worker bees require between 18 and 22 days to fully develop, and drones need 24 days. A young adult bee will emerge from the hexagonal-shaped egg cell by chewing its way through the wax capping. It chews the lid of its cells and climbs out. The bee will immediately take their place in the hive. And that's the life cycle of the honeybee. If the queen bee mates again with drones, this cycle repeats. So that's all for today's video. Bye-bye!